What's up? What's up? Good afternoon. This is Coach Bird, and I'm here for the weekly Tuesday coaching call. I've been in Hawaii for a month. I did a couple coaching calls, but I took off some time basically, and we visited the volcano, which erupted. It was incredible. And then we went and sat through Hurricane Lala. That was pretty crazy. It washed out a whole town right by where we were on the, I don't know what side that is, north, south, east, west, but Kona, the Kona side, you see Kona Country Club. Crazy, just like 20 minutes up the road, it washed a whole town down the mountain. And then additionally, we went through a couple earthquakes, a good one that took pictures off the wall. And it was an eventful time in Hawaii, but I'm glad to be here with you today. I'm going to show you some cool techie stuff today that I geek out on, but I'm going to show you some ideas of things that can make your life easier when it comes to posting. I personally use a company called Social Realtor, and it's just like it sounds, except it's spelled REALTR, not TOR. Maybe you did that for the trademark. Social Realtor. Anyway, socialrealtor.com, and he's amazing, and he does all your videos for you. He'll do, like I have the Rising Star package. I think you get like 2 videos a week for $8 a month. And they do all the editing, all the B-roll, all the music, everything you can ask for, they can do for you for $400 a month, $100 a week. It's a deal. It's like $50 a video, but I have more because if you're with me and if you're in my ecosystem, you get this for, you can have it for $149. So basically you can join my ecosystem, get all the tools and all the things we have in school, SKOOL school, and then get that thing for $149. It's pretty cool. And so then now you're talking, it's like $30 a week. You're doing $15 videos that are first class, everything about 3 to 4 minutes and shorter. You could do a couple of shorts. They'll do auto posting for a lot of different things. It's really what you need to do in social media to stay present, relevant, and really watch what's going on in the social media space. So you can find that all in my school. I'm going to put the school information in the chat. My school community is right there. Price is going up. It's at $9. It's going to go to $97. It's going to be the cheapest community entry point. And my organization gets it for free. That's part of being part of my EXP crew. And if you want to join EXP, I'm happy to talk to you about that too. But that's not what this is about. This is about teaching you some AI tools that are going to move the needle in your business right now. The reason I brought up Social Realtor is because we're paying money to have all this editing and all this stuff done. There's a day in the future where it will be all done by a command prompt. It will literally add B-roll, all these things, and then it will give it to you to approve. I'm going to show you how that works today. I'm going to show you mine actively in the process. And then I'm going to show you just a little bit of how you can set up yourself. So if you join us, we set it up for you. We get in there and we do it for you. We help you. We coach you and teach you all this stuff for free. And that's called Done For You. And then we also teach do it yourself. Right? You could do that. Everything I teach, everything I show is transparent. You can do it all yourself. What we do is we show you so much that hopefully we become so valuable that you want to partner with us. And that's how I've grown to 1,200 agents, is helping agents do the things that they can't do and the things they resist doing. All right. That's what coaching is kind of being a mirror and showing you, hey, these are the things you said you wanted to do, and this is what you're doing or not doing. Let's talk about that. All right. So again, Coach Randy Bird, we're here weekly, every single week, 12:30 p.m. Pacific time, 3:30 Eastern, and it's like 9:30 in the morning in Hawaii, where we just came from. So every week we're going to talk about a topic that's going to move your real estate business forward. That's the goal, right? And then we also, it's a webinar format. Sometimes we'll have a couple, sometimes we'll have hundreds or tens of people, whatever the number is. But the bottom line is we record these every single week. They go into my YouTube and my coaching channels. And so you could rewatch them. You could download them, look at them, put them in your training program. And the goal here is to show you ways to make money in real estate. And that's part of my AgentPreneur blueprint model, right? So most of what you see is our AgentPreneur blueprint, which is taking control of your business. You're the brand, right? So if you're the brand, it's not your company as you see it as the brand. EXP is no different. EXP is not my brand. My vehicle is EXP. My brand is Birdhouse Coaching. My brand is the Premier Luxury Group. My brand is Like a Boss, right here. My brand is AgentPreneur Coaching. Those are my brands that I have multiple companies that I lean into. And then we have an investment arm and different things that we do. But the bottom line is you're the brand. And if you're not the brand, you're going the wrong direction because you're replaceable. If you look what happened just today, today is August 25th, 2026. The Remax Real merger was approved today, and now the ticker signal is now REAX. What about all those agents that didn't think they would ever be leaving Remax and now they're with Real? What about all the Real agents that are thinking that now are they going to be branded Remax? What about Compass taking over all of Anywhere, Coldwell Banker, Sotheby's, all those brands are rolled into Compass. At some point, they're going to say, by the way, you're not Sotheby's anymore, you're Compass, or you're not Better Homes and Gardens, or you're not Corcoran Group, whatever it is. That is when you're hooking your wagon to the brand is a problem. All right. So I'm going to get off that soapbox. Super important to me, super passionate to me. But I'm going to show you how to become your brand today and then do some auto posting using Claude and some other really cool tools. So I am going to open up my screen and I'm going to open a new chat up and I'm going to show you how to use Claude and Claude Code to do these automatic postings. It's going to kind of blow your mind a little bit. All right. So let me close a couple things here before I go sharing. Might have needed some of those, but it's okay. We're going to get rid of that stuff. And then I am going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what we're doing. So share, I'm going to share my whole screen. Always danger doing that, but here we got, we've got Claude and it says, let's noodle, dude. Let's noodle, foodle. Let's do it. All right. So I'm going to say this. I'm teaching a class right now of how to auto post their videos to their social media platforms. I've already done this with you, so there might be a knowledge base, but I want to start fresh so they could take these instructions and put it into their own AI, being Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever it may be. So I want to build a Claude code generator to build videos, to then put them into a Google Drive. I want them stitched together. I'd like to add music to them. And I'd like you to put these into a posting schedule for me. Like I'm doing 100 videos in 100 days schedule. So 100 straight days. But for this, let's just do a 30-day challenge. We'll do a video a day for 30 days. So I want you to do number one, lay out a video schedule with me for 30 days in real estate. Number two, I want you to build the code that I need to put into Claude Code and give me directions of how to do that, acting like I know nothing, so I can have Claude Code build this for me. All right, thank you, go. So we're going to start with that prompt command. And again, just so you guys could, oops, I'm still recording. So you guys could track with me. I'm going to put this in chat. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put this in chat so you guys always have the availability just to copy and paste everything I'm doing, right? So we're going to go there. We're going to let it build for a minute. So it's orchestrating dual deliverables, content calendar, automated workflow. It's doing all this right now. And I'm using my Claude credits instead of yours. If you don't know what that means, you will, right? So it's building a quick start. It's getting started on the platform. It's looking how to build the list. It's doing all this stuff, and it's talking to Claude Code, which if you don't know, Claude is like ChatGPT. Claude Code, which is this one, is actually coding into the computer. It's working through the command prompt in your computer, basically. So if you open the command center in a DOS computer, it's the C/command. And in the MacBook Pro, it's considered the command prompt, right? So if you do all those things, it's going to build the things for you. So here's what it's done. Here's a step-by-step Claude Code setup, copy and paste. I did nothing. I put that instruction in there to tell me what to do. Okay. So let it build. You see how it's building all the directions and everything for me. It's writing code of what I told it to do, and it's building a code based on my verbal instructions. So now here's what we came up with. Build your own video stitching tool, Claude Code, 0 coding experience required. Thank you. Here's the directions. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Here's the thing. I don't want to know how to do it. I want it to do it for me. So we're going to teach it how to do that. But here's the directions if you want it. Okay. And so it's telling me the directions of how to set this up. So I'm going to go in here and it gave me these folders that I can download and all this stuff, right? So I'm going to tell it, I want you to do it for me, period. Give me directions to put into Claude Code so it builds this for me, period. I want to copy and paste right into Claude Code. Okay. So I'm telling it, I want it to do it for me. Here's the exact block. There you go. It was giving me all the directions of how to do it on the right side. Now it's giving me the code to actually put into. So watch this. I'm going to hit copy and I'm going to open Claude Code and I'm going to just paste it. Paste. And we're going to hit run. See what it does. So enable notifications. Sure. Okay. Allow. Claude Code is writing code. Now it's naturally going to stop and ask you for permission along the way. You have the ability to tell it to not ask you permission anymore. You could give it a command that says, I trust you, go with it, but be careful. You can give it some very powerful assignment tools. Okay. You never want it deleting anything without you. You never wanted it leaving your computer without you laying eyes on it. So you have a lot of abilities here, but I want you just to soak in for a minute that the world in front of you is like a command prompt away. You just have to learn what to say to it and then how to figure it out. And what's cool about this is if you get stumped, like if it says you need to put this into C drive and you're like, I don't even know what C drive is. You could literally ask it, like, I don't know what C drive is. And it can go, C drive is this. You can open that screen, screenshot the whole screen, put in there and say, is this it? And then to say no, or to say yes, click the box on the left that says code. It's like it will think like a human for you. It's pretty amazing. But we're getting a little deeper, a little more into AI kind of level 2. I say level 1 AI is asking it for directions, asking it to find the best route with hot dog stands, look at my email, respond to an email. That's all level 1. That's all very elementary and making your picture pretty and stuff. That's all level 1. Level 2 is when you start having it do things autonomously while you're not available or not around, right? Saying, I want you to build a website. I want you to use this website as a reference. I want you to do all this. Let me know when it's done. That's level 2. And you have that agent that's doing that work for you. That agent is basically your AI agent that you've given the directions to doing the things for you. Level 3, if you look at level 3 in AI, level 3 is having a team of agents reporting to that one agent that you've trained. And that team of agents could be a network marketing person. It could be a marketing person. It could be a copyright person. It could be a spell check person. It could be a posting person. It could be an accountant, CPA, attorney, CEO of your company. All those could be agents specially trained to do that one thing in your business, all run by this one assistant or agent. That's wild. That's where I'm at now. I'm training all my level 3. So I've set up a CEO for my business. I've set up a team leader. I set up a recruiter. I set up a CPA. I set up an attorney. I set up a person that does compliance. You could have it be your HR department. You could have it do all that. Your VA, transaction coordinator, all that's absolutely possible. And what's currently available. And they're saying what's coming in 6 months makes this look like ChatGPT a year ago. All right. So here's what we've got. It's going to give me some directions. Like if you look in here, I'm going to show you a couple things. It's building the system and it says, hey, GitHub access isn't currently authorized for this session. So we need GitHub. So watch, I'm going to act like I don't know anything. And I'm going to say, how do I sign up for GitHub? Right? It's asking me, it says, the commit succeeded locally, but push failed. GitHub is not currently accessed. I'm going to treat it like you. I'm going to say, I don't have GitHub, period. Can you help me set up an account? And is it free or does it cost me money? So it at some point might recognize it's me and that I already have these things because it's that smart. but I'm trying to use it from a perspective of training. So I told it I'm training. I want to do this, right? So good news, you don't actually need to get GitHub at all to use this tool. GitHub is just a code hosting service that's particular Claude code session happens to sync with. Okay. Okay. To answer your question, GitHub is free. Okay, cool. Better option, since you're not a programmer and just want the tool, let me handle this for you. It just asked me if it can handle it for me. And I'm going to say, yes, absolutely, handle it. So see how it said, want me to handle the package for you now. Failed to run command, still blocked on the same permission issue. This won't resolve by retrying. Only an org admin granting GitHub access can do that. So since you don't need GitHub anyway, let me try this. Let me send you a file. So it sent me a file to look at. So unzip it on your computer. I'm going to say, I don't really want to use a zip file because I don't have luck unzipping files, period. Is there any other way, or can you unzip it for me and do the things that you're expecting me to do? I'm literally telling it, no, I don't want a zip file. I want you to do this. And let's see what it does. I haven't tried this before. Let's see. No problem. Look, you don't have to unzip anything. I'll do it for you. That's the power of AI. You notice how it gave me a problem, but I just told it to overcome your own problem and go to the next thing, right? I'm going to open this up and look at chat in just a minute, but I'll leave time for a little bit of questions at the end. If you have any, you could put them right in chat. I'll answer them, or there's a Q&A section. You could write your stuff in as well. Okay, so it said, here's 2 README files, right? I'm trying to slow things down for you a little bit. Here's the simplest path, no zip involved. Save both files into your one folder on the computer. All right, so it's telling me to save these files. Create 3 empty file folders. I don't want to do that on my computer, but this is just telling you, here, save 3 files with these labels, finished, music, and raw. So it looks like this, okay? And watch this, I'm going to ask, and it says, that's it. No zip, no GitHub, no anything. You're done. Put those 3 folders on your computer, give it access to the 3 folders. It will do all this for you, okay? So now I'm going to say, can you set those files on my computer automatically for me, or do I have to do it? I know the answer, but I'm showing you what we could say to it. And if it can write, it will tell you, I can't write directly to your computer, but here's what you should do. Here's the clear directions. So I'm going to say this, for instance. Okay, don't try to run the command anymore until I overcome the GitHub access. Bet. For now, give me step-by-step directions of how to write those 3 folders into my computer and talk to me like a 3rd grader, period. Okay, so I'm telling it not to keep trying to run it without me. And now I'm asking it to give me directions of writing those things to my computer like I'm a 3rd grader. Okay, open that video automation folder, double click it. Okay. I don't have those folders yet, period. I'm asking you how to help me put those folders on my computer like I'm a novice 3rd grader. Give me simple directions. Okay. What kind of computer are you on? I'm on a Mac. Okay. So it's asking you questions. And again, it will not write files without you. You're just asking it to tell you exactly. So here's exact directions. Look at the bottom of your screen. You see a smiley face icon called Finder. Let me look. Okay, you ready? There's a smiley face, Finder. Okay, we did that. Okay, so we did that. And then now the next direction, let's go back to my Claude. The next direction, a window opens on the left side, click desktop. Click, right click. Okay, so it's literally telling me what to do. Finder, on the left side, go to desktop, right click, open a new folder. Okay, it's giving you step-by-step directions. Really, really wicked. All right, but again, you have to know what to ask. So it's all the directions are right there. And when you're all done, say, okay, my folders are done. Now put things into it and make the video. It could be that simple. So I'm going to go back to my screen, stop sharing. I'm going to see if I have any questions in here. I don't currently, but this is recorded. You could go back over this, but imagine the power of being able to take about an hour or so and tell it how to build all these systems, and then mine run automatically. So every day at 9 o'clock, it runs an automatic command that I gave it, run every day at 9 o'clock for 100 straight days, pull the video from my video folder that I saved, post a video into social media, post a video into Instagram, Lofty, LinkedIn, all that. And you'll be able to see my videos called, I'll show you some of them here. They're called 100 Days of Video. So if I go into my drive, and I'm going to show you what it built for me. It's actually really pretty cool. So let me go down here, get this out of the way. So let me go into my folder, show you where it's at. So these are the videos it made. Day 1 of 100, day 2 of 100, day 3 of 100, day 4, day 5. I have day 13 done, and we're on day 6. So automatically, it's every day it's making me a new video, and it's putting in sequence, and it's labeling it day 12, and then it comes out like this. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. But the bottom line is it's playing all these for you as you're going. Let me share my screen again. Sorry about that. Okay, share screen, share. Okay, so what it's doing is finding these videos labeled 1 through 100, right? So far I'm on day 14. But everything I've done in here, I've done with automation. It's doing it for me. It made all these videos. Day 2 challenges the volcano. So I posted a video a day, and likes. It's creating momentum in my business. It could be business. This particular challenge is just putting videos onto the social media platform. So okay, so it's doing all these for me. By the way, let me on share and share my sound because I'm not sure that it did that. Share system sound. Hey, I don't do this very often, but have you heard the news about this one? Alita, we're sitting here in Puerto Rico just thinking of how much you're crushing it. We're proud of you. You're amazing. Keep it up, girl. Look at how much momentum you have just from this week. You got this, all right? Love you. See you, baby. Bye.
Hey, Brent, congratulations on your biggest sale ever. Us Brents got to stick together, man. I love it. Way to go. I'm here with Randy Bird.
Yeah, buddy. Congrats,
We just,
man.
yeah.
That's a big deal.
It is. We just finished golfing in Puerto Rico, and you're awesome, man. We're very proud of you. And just want to give you a big time thumbs up, man. Way to go, Brent. Love you, man. Be good.
Later, brother.
See ya.
Bye.
A moment of love, a dream, a lie, a kiss, a cry, our rights, our wrongs. A moment of love, a dream, a lie, a moment of love, a dream, a lie. Just stay there. A moment of love, a dream, a
Be. All right. So hopefully that came through. Can someone post if that video played and you could hear it? Can you put in the chat for me, please? I'd appreciate it. If not, it's no big deal, but I just wanted to make sure. And we're about ready to wrap up. So I don't see any Q&A today. You guys are a quiet crowd, and I don't see any questions or anything. So we're all good. All right. Thank you for being here. I'm here every single week. You can ask questions. You can bring real challenges that you're having in your real estate world, and I'll answer them live every single week. Appreciate you. Thank you for being here. It's Coach Bird saying Bye for now. Every single Tuesday, 12:30 p.m. Pacific time, I do this coaching call live. Thank you much.